It takes a monumental team effort to develop a winning car. It requires dedication, expertise, and above all, a passion for what you're doing.
Finishing off now 1.1 million miles of testing. It's a massive team effort. We couldn't do this by ourselves. I mean, we brought all the partners together and specialists.
We have this collaboration, obviously, if we can cross-pollinate each other with our high-tech engineering, it's great. So, should we dial it up a little bit? This is unbelievable. Yes. You know, I'm driving like on a rally.
Something like this you can only create if you have good partners and good teams and people that really care.
You need to be passionate about it.
Welcome to the final mile.
Thank you very much. Looking forward to it.
The Grenadier is coming to the end of its 1.1 million miles of testing, and we're here to put it through its paces in some of the most amazing but pretty uncompromising terrain.
In Formula One, we work with a team of 2,000 people, and it's not one single individual who makes that difference. It's the 2,000 people coming together, working together to make that end product even better.
We have a great kind of pressure in this, in that we've got something amazing that customers are really waiting for. We've brought you out here into the heat, into the middle of the desert. I think it's time to throw you the keys and we'll see what you think later.
Let's go for it. Definitely feels a bit different to my Formula One car, that is for sure. Oh, massive bumps here, gliding over it, awesome.
It feels good. Yeah. Yeah, it has power. Yeah. I think this car you can actually drive over 1,000 kilometers and you cannot get tired.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah, you've done this before, I can see, definitely.
Yeah.
Should we hop into the next car? Yeah, this is one of the most scenic, beautiful roads in Africa.
Yeah, but really soft and with good suspension, comfortability actually for the whole driving. The steering is amazing. It's really a good car.
Well, I just grew up in New Zealand playing rugby, and it's something we've always been pretty good at on a world stage and pride ourselves in.
Pretty good at? I think you might be undercalling it there. How do you feel about taking it to the next level?
Apprehensive. Just never an off-roader. This is changing my mind rapidly though, because it's so awesome to drive. So certainly no expert, Justin, but
no. You're a natural talent at it, mate.
Quite easily be on the road at the moment in terms of the comfort, the ease of the drive, just the vehicle taking care of anything that's thrown at it. How easy was that?
Too easy.
Not because of my driving. No. I'm not trying to claim credit for that.
I absolutely love it here. Snowdonia, my favourite place in the world. No doubt about it. You know, here being able to drive the Grenadier as part of its 1.1 million mile voyage and to its last kind of mile is.
So she's had a good run.
That has got your name all over it. You're the expert in the water, Ben. Let's put it through its paces through there. Focus. God handles that well, doesn't it?
Yeah.
You can push this car as hard as you push them boats.
Yeah.
Then probably the best test drive we'll ever have.
Yeah. Hopefully we don't have too many crashes.
The end of the road here, Ben.
Very well done.
Overcoming the challenges is what makes the end goal so much more rewarding when you finally achieve it. You must test the boundaries and push the limits of what you previously thought possible to achieve true greatness.